Part 1. The birth of Bitcoin, a revolutionary digital currency. With unlimited potential, Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an unknown individual or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. The first Bitcoin transaction took place in January 2009, when Satoshi Nakamoto sent 10 BTC to computer programmer Hal Finney. The maximum supply of Bitcoin is 21 million coins. With around 18.7 million coins already in circulation as of April 2023. The first major price increase for Bitcoin occurred in 2013, when the price reached $1,000 per BTC for the first time. Bitcoin experienced its biggest price increase to date in late 2017, reaching an all-time high of nearly $20,000 per BTC. The price of Bitcoin then experienced a significant decline, dropping to around $3,000 per BTC in 2018. Since then, the price of Bitcoin has fluctuated significantly, with several price rallies and drops. As of April 2021, the price of Bitcoin reached its maximum around $60,000 per BTC. Part 2. Ways that artificial intelligence will impact the Bitcoin blockchain. Here are ways how I can impact Bitcoin blockchain. Machine learning algorithms can be trained to identify patterns in the data that indicate fraudulent behavior, allowing for faster and more accurate detection of fraudulent transactions. Price prediction can also be used to predict the price of Bitcoin by analyzing historical price data and other market factors. Machine learning algorithms. I can make predictions about the future price of Bitcoin. Automated trading can be used to automate trading on the Bitcoin blockchain. Trading algorithms can be developed to make decisions about when to buy and sell Bitcoin. Risk management. Artificial intelligence can be used to manage risk on the Bitcoin blockchain. Machine learning algorithms can analyze market data and other factors to identify potential risks and take steps to mitigate them. Network optimization can be used to optimize the Bitcoin blockchain network. Machine learning algorithms can analyze network traffic and identify areas where improvements can be made to increase efficiency and reduce costs. Bitcoin is the largest and most well-known cryptocurrency, with a market capitalization of over $1 trillion as of April 2023. Bitcoin has faced regulatory scrutiny from governments and financial institutions, with some countries banning or restricting the use of cryptocurrencies. The underlying technology behind Bitcoin, the blockchain, has potential applications beyond just digital currency, including supply chain. If you enjoy this video content, please share and subscribe to support our work. Thank you for watching. Until our next video.